Hi, love. Yeah, I know. I'm on my way now. I'm gonna cut through a garden. Yo, don't worry about it. Nobody's gonna see me. Look, I'm sorry, all right? I got caught up. Yo, it's not every time. Look, Eve, don't worry about it. I'm on my way now. Just sit tight. Bloody hell.
Jack you out last night, banging it out like shit. What the fuck? Who the fuck are you, bro? What the fuck you doing in my yard?
Listen, I'm sorry, lads. I'm in a hurry. I was just cutting through to get to my house. I just live over there.
Do you want me to spark you in your face, blood?
Listen, okay, I don't want any trouble. I just want to get home, okay? Just let me go and I'll take the long way around.
This is my manor, blood, and you ain't going nowhere, you get me? What are you doing, blood?
Listen, please. Just take my phone and take my wallet. It's in here. Just let me go, okay? I can't stay here.
You come up in my mum's yard, yeah? Thinking you can just cut through. What if my mum wakes up, blood? You ain't going nowhere. Scared?
No. You should be.
What the fuck is this? What is this, bro? What the fuck you waiting for? Juke him up, blood.
Fuck this, man.
Oh shit.
Fuck
This. Look, man, look, we was only joking, yeah? Man just wanted to buy a split, you get me? Here, you can take my phone. Ah!
Another one, Inspector. You don't live too far from here, do you?
Certainly don't. Hi, honey. Yeah. Nah. Everything's fine.